that Amazon actually provides you detailed analytics on how many page views and sessions your product or products are getting on a daily or weekly or monthly basis. It also gives you information on what your unit session percentage is. Or in other words, some people call that their conversion rate out of how many sessions your page got in a certain time period. How many sales you got, and what is that percentage of sales to the number of sessions? This is valuable information that can help you make decisions on your business. So let me show you where to find that. First of all, in Amazon Seller Central, you're going to want to go up here to the top to reports and then business reports. Now, once you get there, you're going to go to this page and you're going to want to hit detail, page, sales, and traffic, and then select a date range. Now, in this situation, I selected May 22nd, just one day, but I can go and select other periods of times. And then here's all my products that registered sessions. And then I can see details here, such as how many sessions I got on a mobile app and in the browser. I like looking at this total number of sessions. And then I like looking at how many orders there were. Look at this. Out of 167 sessions, there was only one order for this product. Something must be going on. Why are people not buying this product after visiting this page? Now, that's a 0.6% unit session percentage. That's terrible. Now, this is just one day, so it might have been a fluke, but you can compare it to, for example, this Gee's chicken coop egg tray only had 24 sessions, but there was 3 sales. So a 12.5% conversion rate or unit session percentage. So this is great information, guys, to take a look at. It doesn't matter if you have brand registry or not. Anybody who is selling on Amazon should have access to this page. Now, for those of you who have Helium 10, you can actually find that in profits, and then go to the product performance page. And then you can see right here, I'm checking that same date range of May 22nd. And all of the regular columns are still here, like my margins and expenses and refunds and how many units I've sold. But right here on the right, the last 3 columns are the page views, the sessions, and then the unit session percentage. Like, you remember that coffin had the 0.6%? Well, sure enough, here it is right here. We have the 167 sessions and then the unit session percentage of 0.60. So that's how you can see right in your profits dashboard, or actually in the product performance dashboard, what those business reports are. Now, for those of you who are elite or diamond members, actually, if you go to your Helium 10 dashboard, you have a little bit extra on there. All right. So right here in your profit summary, you can actually compare, like, let's just say, hey, for let's just say this quarter, I want to see for the coffin shelf. So let me find that coffin shelf here. Type in the SKU here. Whoops, not the SKU. I want to type in the actual title. So let's do coffin shelf. There it is. There's that SKU I was looking for. And I want to compare it to, let's just say, the number of sessions. All right, the number of sessions for that exact same product. Let's hit apply. So now what you can see here is I can compare my sales to the number of sessions. So like you can see how it definitely has an impact. Like on this day, the sessions went up, and sure enough, the sales went up that day. On this day, the sessions went down. Look at that, the sales went down. So you can see that there's a clear correlation here. And so this is kind of a cool way to compare different metrics that come up in your business reports, such as the sessions and also your unit session percentage, or what some people, like I said, call the conversion rate. So guys, if you don't have Helium 10, make sure that you are checking these business reports in your Seller Central account. But if you have Helium 10, make sure to check them out right in your Helium 10 account side by side with some other important metrics, such as your profit margins and your units and your total gross sales and things of that nature, so that you can check on trends and perhaps make some decisions based on these trends that you see. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.